Good morning all. Today we are going to move up with the grammar section as we are moving since 2 days or 2 lectures. Today also we are going to move with the last topic, that is adverbs. We have taken nouns, we have taken verbs, we have taken the gender, that is we have taken the suffix and prefix one yesterday. Today we would be dealing with the adverbs, which is the last one. Now where those questions are asked, question number 5, in question number 5A. In question number 5, there are A, B, C, D, E section. इतने sections रहते हैं. A में they can ask you synonym, B में they can ask you antonyms, and the remaining part is the grammar part where you are going to solve do as directed, in which one sentence related with it can be noun, it can be verb, it can be adverb. और 2 marks का आता है suffix and prefix, which we have taken yesterday. Today we are going to take the adverb form. Here, what is an adverb? We are going to start with adverb. First I will explain what is an adverb, different types, and then how the question related with examination would be asked, we will discuss it. Moving ahead. Now what is an adverb? Now adverb is a word which answers different questions. जो भी different questions रहते हैं, there are different questions where, when, how, the reason for it, frequency कितनी रहेगी. When you get the answer to any question, it is an adverb. Therefore, it is said that adverb answers different questions in a sentence. Adverb different questions के answer जो रहते हैं, that is expressed or that is cleared, that is an adverb. Today we are going to see the different types, because जब तक types नहीं देख पाएंगे, question is generally related with types of adverbs. The first one which we are going to move is, the first one is adverb of time, which gives the answer of a question or a word, that is when. यहाँ adverb of time है जो when का answer जब हमें मिलता है, that is adverb of time. For example, Lata arrived late. The first sentence देखिए, यहाँ Lata arrived late. Now it is telling when she arrived. The answer which, if we ask a question, ये question के साथ अगर हम पूछे, we are going to get the answer late. जब हम question पूछ रहे हैं, when did Lata arrive? We are getting the answer late. When we get answer of a question when, it is adverb of time. Moving to the second adverb, adverb of number. A sentence which answers the question of how often, it is adverb of number. For example, if the sentence is I told you twice, it is answering the question of a number, that is twice. ये नंबर बता रहा है कितने बार हम बाहर गए थे, 2 बार. When in a sentence the answer of how often is got, it is called adverb of number. Moving ahead to the third type of adverb, that is adverb of place. Adverb of place answers the question of where. Come here. If a sentence is, if I tell you, if I order you, come here, what am I doing? I am telling you or I am calling you to a place. When a sentence answers the question of where, it is adverb of place. Now, adverb of manner, which answers the question of the manner in which anyone is performing. If I say so and so, or if I say Radha fought bravely, it is answering the question the manner, किस तरह fight up किया bravely. She is having confidence. Now, adverb of degree, how much, which has different quantity express करेंगे. हाँ, adverb so happy. Adverb of next is negation. Negation means it shows the negativeness. I do not know. मुझे नहीं मालूम है. It is answering or it is giving the answer of a question not. Therefore, it is adverb of negation. Next adverb is adverb of interrogative or interrogative adverb, which answers the question of where. If a sentence is where is Raj, it is answering or it is asking a question. Interrogative generally बहुत ही आसान है आपको find out करना, because at the last or end of the sentence you would have a question mark, which indicates that it is an interrogative sentence. So adverb, different types, it is necessary that you should know different types, and if you get the question of different, if you get the answers of different questions, when, where, how often, in what manner, how much, negative, where, if you get the answers by asking this question, it denotes that particular type of adverb जो आपको एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से जानना बहुत जरूरी है. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द एग्जाम फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. यहाँ तो हमने देख लिया कि एडवर्ब क्या है, जो डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देते हैं. जैसे क्वेश्चंस है व्हेन का अगर आंसर मिलता है, हाउ ऑफन का अगर हमें आंसर मिलता है कितने बार, वेयर का आंसर मिलता है किस तरह का आंसर मिलता है, कितने का आंसर मिलता है, नेगेटिव का आंसर मिलता है और क्वेश्चन का आंसर मिलता है. So that is, or these are the different types of adverb. Now looking from the point of examination point of view, किस तरह की एक्सरसाइज आएगी और हमें क्या आएगा, कैसा आएगा एग्जामिनेशन में, जो generally 2 marks का रहेगा. Again I'll repeat, A is synonym, B is antonym, C can be an error, and then would be do as directed, जहाँ आपको 3 sentences दिए जाएंगे, either noun के होंगे, either verb के होंगे, adverb के होंगे या adjective के होंगे. ये सेंटेंस देने के बाद में आपको वहाँ you would be having an option there. 4 sentences would be there. Out of 4 sentences you have to do 2. You have to do 3. Or each sentence, if you write correctly, you will be getting 2 marks. Here, how the manner in which adverb would be asked to you. A sentence would be given to you. For example, this is the first sentence. This is very sweet. How it is? अगर क्वेश्चन पूछते हाउ इज द स्वीट, वेरी स्वीट, हाउ का आंसर मिल रहा, हाउ कहाँ है, हाउ इज द स्वीट, एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. नेक्स्ट, ही फॉट ब्रेवली, किस तरह उसने फाइट किया, हाउ डिड ही फाइट, द आंसर इज ब्रेवली. नेक्स्ट इज गो बैक, यहाँ प्लेस बता रहा, कहाँ जाना है, हमें पीछे जाना है. बैक, वेयर शुड आई गो, बैक, इट इज आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन ऑफ बैक. Then you can say that this is adverb of place. Where is Raju? यहाँ question mark नहीं है. But don't get confused. Even if they do not put a question mark, they can twist you or they can create a confusion in mind. But this is asking a question. Raju कहाँ है? If any question is asked, it denotes interrogative adverb. Again I'll repeat. I'll tell you. A section में क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 के A सेक्शन में, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, in question number 5A you will have synonyms and antonyms. Excuse me. You are in question number B. क्वेश्चन नंबर A में synonyms रह सकते, B में antonyms रह सकते, C में either it can be a match the pair, and D में A, B, C, D रहेगा, जहाँ nouns, verbs and adverbs and adjectives पूछे जाएंगे, and 2 marks के क्या पूछे जाएगा, suffix and prefix. Today was the last lecture of Sem 1. In the next class, we would be dealing with the second Sem topic and syllabus, and we would be moving ahead. Thank you everybody.